Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to share someone reel on Instagram story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, find the reel that you want to share to your own story. For example, I want to share this reel to my story. So for that, all you have to do is just tap on this little paper plane icon and tap on add reel to your story. And you can adjust the video size and tap on done and select your story and tap on share, and that's how you can share someone reel on Instagram story. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.